Sari stars, how are things going on in your sari world? I am Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram I have for you an absolutely gorgeous collection of Kanjivaram silk saris. These silk saris are all hand woven, the designs are amazing, and the motifs are rich and traditional. So let's get started with these saris. This is a festive Kanjivaram silk sari in a vintage Yennarakku shade. The body of this Kanjivaram silk sari is in a vintage Yennarakku. The borders have tissue zari borders and a row of motifs along the borders. The pallu of the sari is very unique and exclusive. It has seepareku but not one but three bands of seepareku in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a gorgeous tissue golden blouse. You can accessorize this sari with traditional gold or diamond jewelry. A gorgeous green Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is absolutely delightful and beautiful. The body of the sari is a gorgeous green and there are small zari buttas all over the body. The borders have zari bunky motifs and pink bands along the zari borders. The grand and elaborate pallu of the sari has beautiful zari motifs. These motifs are diamond motifs, pakshi motifs and paisley motifs. The sari has a pink blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. A lovely ruby adige or diamond necklace will look fabulous with this sari. An exclusive Kai Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a gorgeous combination of chartreuse and magenta. The body of this gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari is in a lovely shade of chartreuse green and there are small zari motifs on the body. The borders are Kai Korvai borders in magenta and they have lovely quilkand motifs in zari. The pallu is in a gorgeous shade of magenta and there are quilkand motifs in a broad band on the pallu. The magenta korvai borders, the beautiful body color and the lovely selvage enhance the beauty of the sari. The sari has a gorgeous magenta blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. A lovely diamond or gold jewelry will look stunning with this sari. This is a majestic royal blue Kanjivaram silk sari and there are gorgeous coin zari buttas on the body. The body of the sari is a stunning royal blue and there are beautiful, gorgeous circular zari buttas all over the body. The borders have Banaras motifs and floral motifs in zari. the sari is simply stunning. There are zari motifs of Vanki, Yana, that is elephants, and Pakshi motifs. This is a grand and spectacular sari with a lovely pallu. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a gold tissue blouse or ivory blouse. Diamond jewelry and traditional gold jewelry will enhance the look of this sari. Ganda Perunda is a very popular motif in Kanjivaram silk saris. This is a gorgeous rust orange Kanjivaram with Ganda Perunda motifs. The body of the sari is a spectacular rust orange and there are zari cuttons or grids all over the body of the sari. There are lovely motifs of Ganda Perunda and horse motifs in these grids. The sari doesn't have borders, there is a stripe of zari along the edges. The pallu of the sari is in Mayil Kaluthu, which is the color of the peacock's neck, a delightful mix of blue and green, and the motifs are those of Gudara, that is horses, Pakshis, Arai Madam, and Paisley motifs. All these are done in zari. The sari has a Mayil Kaluthu blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. A lovely green addige or ruby addige will look fabulous with this sari. Cuttons or checks give a smart and chic look to the wearer. This one is a checked sari with a very contemporary mix of colors. This contemporary Kanjivaram silk sari has grids in varying sizes in a mix of colors of brown, beige and blue. This sari doesn't have borders but there is a zari stripe along the edges. The pallu of the sari is in brown and it has seepareke in zari. The sari comes with a brown blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse. A pearl necklace or gold necklace will look stunning with this sari. We curate our Kanjivaram silk saris with great attention to detail and make sure that we bring to you the best in terms of colors and designs. If it is a Kanjivaram, it must be Kalpavastram. To shop for our collection of exquisite hand-woven Kanjivaram silk saris, head over to our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more saris and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.